Hi, my name is Christina Govinda, and today we're going to talk about how to use embroidery floss or pearl cotton instead of crochet thread. Embroidery floss and pearl cotton can be used for a variety of projects, not just embroidery. Just like you can use crochet thread for other things like embroidery, you can use embroidery floss and pearl cotton to do crochet projects with. Both embroidery floss and pearl cotton come in different weights, very thin weights and heavier weights. You can thin out your embroidery floss by removing different strands, and you can thicken your pearl cotton by doubling it up. You can crochet small projects with your embroidery floss, though I would be careful not to use it for larger projects because then you're going to be spending a lot of money on embroidery floss when you could just use a lighter weight crochet thread or pearl cotton. As long as you have the right sized hook, you can crochet almost any type of thread. You can use embroidery thread and pearl cotton to make delicate doilies, brooches, or various decorations. With the right crochet hook, you're not limited to using only crochet thread for crochet projects. Thanks for watching.